Hey everybody, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden. Today we're out in our front yard and we're looking at a couple of our trees. Since it's winter, we can really see the branches because there's no leaves. These are deciduous trees like this golden chain behind us. So we got a lot of work to do. We need to prune the tree.
Yeah, we're gonna do some pruning. This golden chain tree is so beautiful, you guys. You can see it on the picture there. Yeah, we have another golden chain in our backyard too, and we always just love watching them bloom. They're so pretty, and we just want to help increase its health. There's a lot of dead and diseased branches that we just haven't pruned in the last couple years. So we're gonna put Sean to work today and we're gonna take care of it, and we'll show you what we're gonna do.
Yep, it's an old tree and you can see it behind us there. See, if you look at a lot of those branches, they're just coming from all angles. They're crossing, they're rubbing. There's even some dead tissue in there. We're gonna get up there and we're gonna just clean it up.
So I'm gonna be filming Sean. He's gonna kind of do all the work today, and he's gonna talk about the tools that he's gonna use first.
So guys, before we get started, like Allison said, I wanted to show you the tools we're gonna use. Corona tools, awesome tools. All the links will be down below in the description if you wanna check them out too. We've got a folding saw, 10-inch folding saw, super awesome. It cuts both on the pull and the push, so that'll be good. We've got our dual link extendable handled loppers. This thing is just a machine. You can already see we've kind of used it. It's got some dirt on it. It's been used in a lot of different scenarios. Awesome tool. And then lastly, we've got our extendable pole saw, manual pole saw. So we're gonna use all three of these today to get the job done. So with that, let's get into it. So guys, I'm gonna set this stuff down because we don't want anything to fall on us. So we'll set that guy down there. I'm gonna set this in my back pocket here. Okay, so when you're coming out and you're doing any type of pruning, you want to have a goal in mind. You don't want to come out and just prune anything willy-nilly just because you think it just needs to be pruned, but you really don't have a plan. You need a goal and a plan. Let's see what we got going on here. So we've got a lot of branches like this. Look at that. It's coming from this other part of the tree. It's crossing through the canopy. It's rubbing multiple places on older wood. This creates a lot of trouble. This creates problems for disease. It creates problems for dead tissue, and it's just a bad deal. So that's something you want to look for, and that's something you want to prune out of a tree. You don't need branches going through the canopy of it or rubbing and crossing, because crossing branches lead to rubbing branches, which lead to open wounds and then disease and insects, and it just gets worse from there. So just try and cut those out and keep those out. The other thing is you want to get out any dead wood. We've got some dead wood over here, or dying wood. You can see right here, there was a break there, a bigger branch used to be there, and here's the tissue that's trying to repair itself, and it goes down here. But I mean, that's an open wound, and that there's dead tissue in there. We don't want that in there. We want to get that out. So that's another thing. And something else we got going on here is that this tree is growing up into some power lines, but that's a different story for a different day. So we're not going to go into pruning out anything for power lines, because that's something, if you want to tackle and you feel comfortable doing that, go ahead, but we're not going to teach anything about that. Most of the time you do want to have some type of professional do that for you. So guys, talking about all that, what we're going to do is I'm just going to start getting in here and start making my cuts. Definitely get those crossing branches out, get those rubbing branches out, and any dead tissue I can find. So here we go. So guys, that's it right now. There's more cuts that need to be made, but they're a lot bigger cuts, and I gotta be really careful to get them off power lines first and out of the cedar tree before I make those big cuts and really take those bigger pieces out. But you can see behind me, look how clear that is. Look how cleaner that is. You know, those crossing rubbing branches are all gone, and we just gotta make those bigger cuts to get it away from the power lines. But we're not gonna show the power lines. Yeah, it is a good start.
Yeah, good job, Sean. I know you love pruning, and He loves using his tools, so it's a perfect chance to just get up there and just get it done.
Pruning is fun for us, and we hope you enjoy it too. If you have any questions about it or you want to know more about it, just leave your comments and questions down below for us. We love hearing from you. You can also email us too at seanandallison@spokengarden.com if you don't feel comfortable putting your comments and questions down below. So also give us that thumbs up, let us know we're doing a good job, and subscribe to our channel so you get updates on our latest videos.
Sorry you guys, I just realized my microphone wasn't on, so hopefully you heard me okay. Other than that, we are done for the day. That's a wrap, and we'll be back tomorrow with our Friday plant chat. So come on by to see which plant we're highlighting and see if you have this plant in your yard too.
Yep, see you tomorrow everybody.
Bye everybody.
Bye-bye.